So the beginning process for my draping, the bra is the foundation. Okay. Okay. I know I needed to make extra from what I was doing. So with the way clients has been saying, oh, my tailor disappointed me, I can't do the shoots anymore, I can't book a session with anymore and all of that. So it prompted me to ask for more. And when I prayed about it, I felt like God heard me, and I saw my draping in my dream then. So I went to my studio and I tried it out. Since then till now, I've been draping and people have been loving it. So I need to pin it there. I want okay. But I want to move. Here you are. I want to move this way so I can get the shoulder. I chose pin because I knew pin was going to be faster than the sewing machine. If you decide to go for a designer to make your dress for you, it will take them 2 to 3 days, depending on how fast you want the dress to be ready. 2 to 3 days to get your dress done. But with me, it won't take you 45 to an hour, depending on the style we're going for. Currently at home now, I have a material I have used more than 5 times, and it's still in good shape for me to use for another person. But the style I'm going to create for that person would be a total different style that wouldn't require so much of the fabric.
I really do love this actually.